Adding your Squarespace domain onto Netlify actually is quite easy. First of all, open up the Netlify and Squarespace dashboard and then select a project where you want to add the domain onto. Once you've did so, head back to Squarespace, select the domain which you want to connect, click on it, and then we will basically have to first of all copy the domain name if you don't know it yourself, and then select the DNS settings on the left. Head back to Netlify, select domain management on the left, click on add a domain, click on add a domain you already know, and click on verify right here once you've put in your domain name. So once we did this, we can once again confirm this, and we are then going to have to add two different DNS records onto Squarespace. So make sure to do this by simply just clicking on add record. First of all, verify yourself, and then select the A record right here. For the host, add an add, and now head back to Netlify and select the first, basically select this right here, and then copy this value and insert it inside Squarespace. Now we will have to add another custom record. So this is going to be a C name. As for the host, this is going to be www, and then we can actually open up this right here, and we will simply have to copy this and insert it as the alias data. And then make sure to save this. Once you did so, this is usually going to take a couple of minutes to hours to be 100% successfully updated, but that's basically everything which you will have to do. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next